top one is up there.
Mm-hmm. What do you need the screw for?
For the screwdriver.
What are you gonna put it on? The screw.
I don't know. In the hole.
In the hole? Where's the hole?
Let me show you. This is the hole.
Oh.
The
What about the airplane?
Huh? The broken one?
There's a broken airplane?
At that door.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need this screw for that. Yeah.
Oh.
Can we go there?
You want to get that broken airplane and put the screw in it?
Yeah. Then I'll put a lot of screws in it. Yeah.
Will that be fun?
Yep. Done. But Mama, why is that broken airplane doesn't have wings?
The broken airplane doesn't have wings either. That must be really broken.
It was snowing a little bit.
It's snowing a little bit?
Yeah.
I think it's like 90 degrees out today.